So we have an Apple logo here. We are going to try to trace it. So first we are going to select the pen tool. So we already have the image in the background layer. We are going to create a new layer, and then we are selecting the pen tool. So now we'll start by tracing the leaf. We are going to click at one point in the leaf, and then towards the next point. Before we click it, we have to click and drag. Okay, when we drag, you can see the bezier. It has two lines, but now to control just one side of the bezier, we are going to hold the Alt key. So if you don't hold the Alt key, this is how we'll be able to draw it. But now we are going to hold the Alt key and then draw it. But when I clicked it, it just became, got converted into a different point. We'll see how it works again. Okay, so we'll click and we'll drag. So we'll use the Alt key this time. So you can see wherever you want the path to flow towards that direction, we'll turn the bezier. So we'll just hold Alt to just uh, move one side of the bezier. So that way we'll be able to complete this leaf, right? So now we'll start the apple. So we'll just click in the point and drag. So click and drag. But here the direction is changing. Uh, the direction is changing. So now again we'll have to hold Alt. So I'm holding Alt and changing the direction. So again you just have to click and drag, but this time again the direction is drastically changing, so we'll use Alt key again. So each time when you are using Alt key, you'll be able to, whenever the direction is changing drastically, you can easily use the Alt key. But otherwise, if it's smooth, you don't have to use it. If it's not smooth, you can always use the Alt key to change the direction of a bezier. So that's it. We have completed. We have completely traced it out. You can see that we are going to. We'll switch off the background layer. Yes, you can see that our trace is complete. Okay. Thank you.